All right, Rob Frazier here. I started filming this 30-day boot camp a while ago, but then decided to change it again. Why? Because I wanted to make it super, super simple. So basically, I was doing a 28-day boot camp, and then that was just going to be it. I'm done changing stuff. Not really changing stuff, but just trying to find a way to explain things for new people and basically have a start to finish everything that I'm doing online to explain it. So basically, kind of changing it again, going back to what I did before, Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is the very first thing I've always promoted. I started making money first using Lead Lightning way back in the day, and the program's still around today. However, what I really wanted to stress is this AI training that you get for free. For free. So, this AI training, and in fact, underneath this video, I may include this very link, but it's going to be the Apex system. Basically, it's Lead Lightning. You can have your own version for one-time $7. I suggest everybody grab it. But when you scroll down here, you see some of the AI training, how to create your digital twin. That's decent HeyGen training, and it's not the base. There's a lot of, everyone's doing AI. We have the AI training, we have the AI bootcamp, blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of stuff out there. However, if you just want something to just learn a tiny little bit every single day and to immediately be able to apply it, this training is it. The videos are super short. Matter of fact, how to create your digital twin. I'll go ahead and click on that. Hopefully my country bumpkin Wi-Fi loads. So here it is, very simple. It is a 3-minute and 59-second video. You're not watching an hour webinar. The guy's not going to try to sell you a $10,000 course at the end of it. He's not trying to try to sell you coaching. It's $7 if you want this exact thing for yourself. But again, 3 minutes and 59 seconds to learn exactly how to do it with HeyGen. HeyGen, Grok Imagine, ChatGPT. There's other apps you can use. You don't have to use HeyGen. You don't have to use Grok Imagine. You don't have to use ChatGPT. In fact, I use Gemini. I've been using Gemini a lot. I'm studying psychology. Gemini has a free deal. Like if you're a student, you get Gemini Pro. So that's what I use. But the training is right here. There's like 5 steps. And it's a short thing. It's like we don't have time to sit around and watch hours of training to do this stuff. So I'm going to just go to the next lesson so you can see how to create a banner. And I've used these things. So let's see, 4 minutes, 43 seconds. And you'll learn Chat, Gemini, Grok, done for you banners, has all the prompts, has all of the things, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. You create a character for your banner. And this right here is an example of one of the banners that looks like. And I know a lot of people who are taking these banners and uploading them Instagram Reels. Some people do, I do mine in my stories. I'll upload a couple stories of what I'm doing in my life, and then I'll throw up a banner like this and just keep it moving. So you get training, little bits. It's not like a huge, hours and hours of stuff that's supposed to stress you out. It's tiny little nuggets of training that you can immediately apply today, and it's free. You don't have to pay for the stuff. If you look hard enough on YouTube, you find all the training you need. We just have it in one spot here that you can take, rebrand, and use it to create a buyer's list. And it's a one-time $7 to do all this, rebrand all this free training for yourself. And so I'm not trying to make this video long because I don't want to be that long-winded guy. I know I can talk a lot. I can jibber-jab with the best of them. But you see all the training here. You get it. One-time $7. You get, if you opt into my email list, you bookmark this page. The training is free. However, if you want to rebrand this page so where you can make those $7 or $6 commissions, it's going to cost you a one-time $7. So that being said, Rob Frazier here. Day 1 of my new 30-day boot camp. Wrapping this up, keeping it under 5 minutes. Whoop, whoop. Hopefully your day's going well. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.